exciting and productive event. We do a massive amount of oil changes, have a lot of people in the showroom for, people are typically here somewhere between half hour and an hour. We have refreshments in the showroom. Obviously the Iowa game, what time? 1 o'clock, 2:30. So, we'll have the big screen lit up with the Iowa game going on. So it's a fun day. But what we know is there is just a ton of people in our dealership.
Otherwise, just $5? Thank you. Okay. They're going to be doing phone calls out next week about those.
Mission accomplished.